Have we lost the ability to critically think for ourselves due to the overreach of too many rules governing our daily lives under the guise of safety? I think that we have become so accustomed to the rules that we don't even realize how much of our daily lives are being governed. We just accept it as the norm. Many wouldn't know how to live without them. I truly think this is having a detrimental long-term effect on our critical thinking and self-responsibility. How could one function if they had to think for themselves? This got me to thinking, are the rules an illusion of safety? What is really happening is creating individuals that cannot think for themselves, that cannot decide what is safe for them. This newer generation do not know how to conduct their daily activities. It is actually more dangerous because individuals don't know what is safe for themselves or how to critically think in situations, observe, and make decisions. It is amazing what happens when you take responsibility for yourself and your actions, no longer relying on everyone around you to keep you safe. In homesteading, you are in control. It is freedom that most people aren't ready for. You become aware of your body, your feelings, and your intuition. You are more in tune with yourself and nature. There is no illusion of safety because you don't have to rely on anyone else but yourself. You don't have to rely on the water companies to run the water through your tap. You don't have to rely on electricity. You don't have to rely on grocery stores. You don't have to rely on pharmaceuticals. You can make homesteading what you want. You are in control. Are we too conditioned and programmed by rules to know that we follow the masses without question? Are our lives just micromanaged by government and political wannabes? Are you ready to make a change and be in control of yourself? Are you ready to start homesteading? Take that first step now. When you stop following the rules, that is when you become free. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.